Naturally, we hate losing money that we worked for. That's where negative reinforcements come in handy for days when we feel extra lazy, when it's rainy, when we're busy, or just feeling extra cozy. These kinds of days pose the biggest threat to new habits. I personally hit this wall during my second month of the challenge, especially during the rainy season. To combat this, I usually implement the lazy jar strategy, which uses financial disincentive as a motivation. The rules are simple yet effective. Set the penalty. Choose an amount that you genuinely wouldn't want to lose. For me, it was $25 or 1,500 pesos, which is my weekly allowance. I work from home, by the way. Then, define the duration. Set a time frame. Could be a week, couple of weeks, or a month. Choose the beneficiary. Select a recipient, like a partner or a friend, who gets to keep the total amount accumulated after the duration. The trick here is to let that beneficiary know about the challenge, so he or she will hold you accountable. And of course, we set the rule. You must pay the penalty for every single day that you skip painting or drawing. Losing my weekly allowance for a day of laziness is a powerful motivation. This external pressure is sometimes necessary. The result? I happily handed my husband an empty lazy jar at the end of the month.